On October 15, 2024, NewJeans member Hanni appeared at the National Assembly's Environment and Labor Committee hearing to testify about workplace harassment, workplace bullying. Meanwhile, rapper Jessi appeared at the police station on October 16, 2024 in connection with an incident involving an assault on a minor fan. This is your attorney, Jiwon Lee. The National Assembly's audit of state affairs refers to an open hearing where members of the National Assembly audit and inspect the actions of state institutions. What authority do these discussions or decisions hold? Nothing. The National Assembly audit is not a place where decisions are made or where decisions hold any authority. However, its significance lies in publicly exposing the problems of various government agencies. What Hanni revealed here was her experience with workplace bullying at her company Hive and Adore. Kim Joo-young, the new CEO of NewJeans agency Adore, who replaced Min Hee-jin after she was removed from her CEO position, was also present. Hanni criticized Kim harshly, accusing her of not doing her best and lacking basic human decency. Wow, that was hard. So, does the fact that Bang Si-hyuk, Hive chairman, and other Hive officials did not greet NewJeans members amount to workplace bullying? NewJeans claims mainly center on 2 points. First, unorganized workplace bullying by ignoring NewJeans. Second, unorganized tampering of evidence such as CCTV. Let's take a close look. First, in a YouTube live broadcast, they mentioned, while I was getting makeup done, I ran into another idol group member and their manager. The manager said loudly, "Ignore Hanni," right in front of me. This kind of things happens a lot. If a colleague ignores someone's greeting at work and orders others to do the same, this behavior could be considered bullying beyond the proper scope of work and would violate the Labor Standards Act, resulting in punishment. Therefore, if such behavior continued over a long period, it could be classified as workplace bullying. However, for the Labor Standards Act to apply, the person being bullied, in this case NewJeans members, would need to be classified as employees. Under the Labor Standards Act, an employee is defined as a person who provides labor for the purpose of receiving wages. Celebrities typically sign exclusive contracts with their agencies and are considered freelancers or independent contractors, not employees. Moreover, NewJeans members each received 5.2 billion won, close to $4 million, just 2 months after debuting, which makes it unlikely they would be legally recognized as employees. Therefore, while it could be workplace bullying, the Labor Standards Act wouldn't apply in this case, meaning no legal punishment. Second, Hanni also reported this to Adore's CEO Kim Joo-young. But the CCTV footage showing the initial 8 seconds encounter is available, but the footage from 5 to 10 minutes later, which could have been more revealing, is missing, making it seem like the evidence was tampered with. Deleting CCTV footage that serves as evidence of bullying could lead to charges of evidence tampering and obstruction of business. However, as mentioned earlier, if the Labor Standards Act doesn't apply, ignoring a greeting is not a criminal act, meaning there's no evidence tampering under criminal law. In conclusion, while there's a basis for raising the issue, it's not something that will lead to legal punishment for anyone. The aftermath of Hanni's appearance at the National Assembly is massive in Korea right now. Hopefully, both NewJeans and Hive can move past this and return to making great music. Another news. Meanwhile, rapper Jessi appeared at the police station on October 16, 2024 in connection with an incident involving an assault on a minor fan. On September 29, 2024, early in the morning, after midnight, in Apgujeong, Gangnam, a minor fan approached Jessi to request a photo. However, the fan was assaulted by a man identified as A, who was with Jessi. Although Jessi tried to stop the assault, she later left the scene. The fan reported the incident and police located Jessi and her group nearby, but she claimed not to know A's whereabouts. The fan filed a lawsuit against the 2 men who assaulted him and included Jessi in the complaint for aiding the assault and helping the perpetrator escape. Jessi issued an apology saying, "I sincerely apologize. A fan requested a photo but I declined. At that moment, a person nearby, whom I had met for the first time that day, suddenly assaulted the fan." After appearing at Gangnam police station, Jessi also stated, "I hope the attacker is found quickly and faces punishment." In short, Jessi claimed she had never met the perpetrator before that day. Really? Let's take a quick look at the CCTV footage. In the footage, the fan approaches Jessi for a photo but steps back after being refused. Then, Jessi's producer Koala threatens the fan. Jessi grabs the man's arm to stop him, and when another man tries to hit the fan's face, Jessi once again attempts to restrain him. However, the man hits the fan, and Jessi steps back. Though Jessi claims she didn't know the attacker, the man remained close to her, raising suspicion about her explanation. Furthermore, there are now claims that the attackers might belong to a Korean gang. The conclusion is that Jessi is unlikely to be considered an accomplice. An accomplice is someone who actively participates in a crime with others. Simply witnessing a crime and failing to intervene doesn't make someone an accomplice. For assault, one would have to hit the victim, serve as a lookout, or prevent the victim from escaping to be considered an accomplice. Since Jessi initially tried to stop the assault and later left the scene, she wouldn't be seen as an accomplice to the attack. Harboring a criminal involves knowingly helping someone who committed a crime to escape or hide. Although Jessi said she didn't know the attacker, the footage suggests, in my perspective, they were part of the group. Additionally, Jessi reportedly told the police she didn't know where A was, and when asked, if Jessi knew the attacker and knew where he went but told police she didn't, there's a possibility that she could be charged with helping a criminal escape. Even requesting a photo can sometimes lead to unexpected consequences. This was the news in Korean entertainment world. That is for the tonight's Korean entertainment and crime. This is your attorney, Jiwon Lee. Thanks for watching.